The 454 retail calendar is a special calendar used by retailers that divides the year into 4 and 5 weeks months in order to make it easier to plan and compare sales to previous year on a like-for-like basis. The reason behind this is to keep the same number of weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, in the respective months year after year, because weekends play a big role in sales. This ensures that sales can be planned year over year on the same basis and makes the retail budgeting process easier and the sales reporting comparable. So if we look at this year's calendar, for example, we find that the months of Feb, May, August, and November are 4 weeks months, while the months of March, June, September, and December will be 5 weeks months, and so on. In other words, those months will have 5 weekends. It should be noted that the retail calendar does not start at the beginning of the year or the 1st of Jan like normal calendar. For example, the 454 retail calendar for 2023 started on Sunday the 29th of Jan 2023 and it ends on Saturday the 3rd of Feb 2024. Since retail calendar days need to be multiples of 7, the calendar year is 364 days and not 365. And so every 5 to 6 years, 1 extra week is added to the calendar and makes it 53 weeks instead of 52. 2023 will actually be one of those 53-week years. That's why you will find 1 extra row at the end of the last month in the calendar. It should be noted also that retail calendar is voluntary, and not all retailers around the world opt to use it. In some regions, there are many retail events that are not fixed year over year. And so the shifting happens anyways, which makes adopting it useless. For example, in the Middle East, the biggest month for most retailers is the month of Ramadan, which does not have a fixed date every year. Furthermore, many retailers find it easier to maintain a normal calendar so that they can align their reporting and accounting tasks with the regular yearly calendar. If you want, you can download a copy of the 454 retail calendar from the link below.